Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the import of Toolset types intermediate post with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. Initially, I have created two custom posts in my toolset named sports and players. Now I am going to relate these two. So I have created an intermediate post for sports and players with many-to-many relationship. Let's prepare our CSV file. Initially, I added some of the post related content. So the relationship slug, you can get the slug from your tool set. Just copy the slug and use it in your CSV. Intermediate post, you can either mention your post ID or post title in comma separation. So the 29 represents my sports post ID and 39 is my players post ID. So now let's import the values. First, initially choose your CSV file. Just choose the appropriate intermediate post in this option. Now click on continue. If your CSV header is same as that of the WP fields, then importer will automatically map the fields. Navigate to the types custom fields section and map the relationship slug and intermediate post. Now click on continue. And now finally import. My values are imported. Let's check on it. So this is my post with the post title and description, and this is my intermediate post. I have linked sports and players post. So by this way you can easily import any number of data into your intermediate post with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Happy importing!